This video will teach you how to become a successful affiliate marketer. Let's dive into part 2.
All right, now you can make life-changing money as an affiliate marketer. All right, you really do have unlimited earning potential, and that really is what a lot of people ask when they're just getting started: is how much money can I make? And the truth is, you do have an unlimited earning potential. Okay, and there's two different types of affiliate that you can be, or you can be a combination of the two. Okay, you can promote either digital products or physical products, or you really could combine the two. Now, digital products, they include things like ebooks, video courses, and membership sites that can be used online or downloaded directly after purchase. Okay. Now, in just about every single niche, you'll find products that can be promoted, and many have affiliate programs that'll offer you really nice commissions. And you don't have to limit yourself to only selling digital products, okay? You can also promote these physical products through retailers like Amazon. You know, a lot of people choose to go with Amazon because they offer so many different products. Like if you go to Amazon, there's tens of thousands of products there, and you can promote those as an affiliate and get paid a commission for when, you know, someone who visits your site or reads an email that you send out buys that product. Okay, and both avenues, they really do, they have an unlimited earning potential. Okay, but you do need to keep in mind that when you do get started, you're going to have very low sales volume. You know, you're not going to be doing a lot of business to begin with. And you should also keep in mind that affiliate marketing is definitely not a get rich quick type of scam. You know, a lot of people think that they're going to become an affiliate marketer today, and then tomorrow, you know, they're going to be making $100,000 a month or $100,000 a year or some ridiculous amount to start with. Okay, now as an affiliate marketer, you're going to have to decide what types of products you're going to promote as far as price ranges. Okay, you can decide if you want to promote high ticket items that are generally going to have a larger commission, or you can promote items that have a lower price and a lower commission, but you can sell a lot more of those. Okay. Now, when making the decision, you're going to have to decide what types of products you think your readers or customers or potential customers are going to want to like. You're going to want to keep an eye on what types of items that they are buying from you, what type of price ranges, and then you're going to want to, you know, try and put together a mix of products, both lower priced and higher priced. Okay, and if you do that, you're going to be able to, you know, earn some good affiliate commissions. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you're going to want to make sure that you always only promote and only do reviews and only recommend high quality products. Don't promote products, even if you can earn a good commission, don't promote products that just aren't good products. Okay. Now, you really do have, as an affiliate marketer, you have the potential to earn a great amount of money when you choose, you know, the right niche, if you stay committed and you understand what your audience wants and needs. And you're going to be able to understand that as you grow more experienced.
Thanks for watching this video. That if you want to learn more from this, please visit my blog below. You will get a lot more.